Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. So in today's session we are going to discuss about the two very important banking news articles in the finance current affairs. So why these banking news articles are very important, because if you analyze the RBI Grade B previous year papers, you can see that the direct questions has been asked from the MOUs, from the mergers, from the acquisitions, from the partnerships and from the apps, banking apps. So from that point of view, these news articles are very important. We will see that what dimensions you have to focus in these news articles. The first one is about the Airtel Payment Bank that has partnered up with the IndusInd Bank. Why it has partnered up with the IndusInd Bank, we will see that. In the second news article, Dhanlaxmi Bank has signed a memorandum of understanding with these two, the CBDT and the CBIC. So why the MOU has been signed, that also we will see in today's session. So now, before starting with the session, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new to the channel, and join our Telegram channel for the PDF of this session. And you can get the link of the Telegram channel in the description box below. So now, starting with the first news article, the line itself, the title itself is very important. That question can be asked that which bank has signed MOU with the CBDT and CBICs. Okay, so here the Dhanlaxmi Bank has signed a MOU with the Central Board of Direct Taxes and the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. Okay, so why this has been signed? Why this MOU has been signed by the Dhanlaxmi Bank? To provide for the collection of taxes. Okay, that's why these two institutions are involved, because it is related to the collection of taxes. So the Dhanlaxmi Bank will be collecting the taxes. So now, how the Dhanlaxmi Bank got this permission? So the bank has been authorized by the RBI based on the recommendation from the Controller General of Accounts for collection of various taxes, the indirect taxes, the direct taxes. Okay, because both these organizations are involved. So now let's see what will be the benefit. Why Dhanlaxmi Bank collecting the taxes is like a big thing. Why is it collecting the tax? So the customers will soon be able to pay their direct taxes, the GST payments and other indirect taxes through the branch network. So the Dhanlaxmi Bank's branch will be utilized for collecting the taxes, as well as digital platform of the bank will be utilized to pay the taxes. So it will become very easier for the customers to pay their taxes through the digital platforms of the bank. Next is, see how now the integration will happen of the Dhanlaxmi Bank and the CBDT and CBIC. So what will happen, that for the faster things to be provided to the customers, so that the sooner the customers get this digital platform, get this branch network to pay the taxes, what will be done, that the technical integration is required to implement the seamless flow of remittances, the payments from the bank portal to the CBDT and CBICs, because bank is only collecting the taxes from the customer. Actually, it has to go to the CBDT and CBICs. So this will be completed at the earliest. This integration, technical integration of the portal with the CBDT and CBICs will be completed at the earliest, so that the customers can move towards these facilities. Customers can have these facilities. Okay, so this was the first news article. The aim is very important, the name is very important, the reason is very important, and what is being provided by Dhanlaxmi Bank is very important. Branch network and digital platforms. So now next news article is about the Airtel Payments Bank partners with IndusInd Bank to offer fixed deposit facility. So first of all, why is the need for the Airtel Payments Bank to partner up with the IndusInd Bank? Because as per the RBI's licensing and operative guidelines for payment bank, it has been said that the payment bank cannot actually provide the fixed deposit, and the aggregate customer balance limit for the payments bank cannot exceed INR 2 lakhs. Okay, for per customer cannot deposit more than 2 lakh. So that's why Airtel Bank also needed to partner up with other bank to providing the booking services of the fixed deposit facility. So this is the snippet from the app of the Paytm Payments Bank, because I couldn't get the Airtel Payments Bank snippet. So now the Airtel Bank will also book a fixed deposit on your behalf, on the customer behalf, in partnership with the IndusInd Bank Limited. Okay, so we have understood that why it has partnered up with the IndusInd Bank, because the licensing and operating guidelines tell the payment bank cannot directly do the fixed deposit, so they have to partner up with some other bank. So here Airtel Payments Bank announced the launch of the fixed deposit facility in partnership with the IndusInd Bank. So the Airtel Bank will be providing the booking services. Okay, how? So the customers can now book fixed deposits starting from rupees 500 up to rupees 1,90,000 within minutes through a seamless digital journey. Through the digital journey on the Airtel Thanks app. So this is very important because this is a wholly digitalized process that the Airtel Payments Bank is providing through the Airtel Thanks app. So bringing forth a fully digital process of booking fixed deposits through the Airtel Thanks mobile app. So this is a fully digital process, that is also a very big thing. Okay, and remember the name of the app also, that through which app? Through the Airtel Thanks mobile app. Next is that the customers can book multiple FDs for a fixed duration of either 1 year, 2 year or 3 years. As well as with the partnership, the Airtel Payment Bank saving account customer will get an interest rate of up to 6.5% per annum, as well as the senior citizens will get additional 0.5% per annum. Okay, for the senior citizen this is additional. Next is the customers can dissolve an FD before the maturity date through the Airtel Thanks app. So they can book through the Airtel Thanks app and they can even dissolve through the Airtel Thanks app. So everything, the whole process is through the Airtel Thanks app. No penalty or processing fee will be charged on premature withdrawals. As well as the invested amount will be credited back to the linked account within minutes, because everything is happening digitally. That's why it is a very fast process, we can say. So you can see that even the money is coming into minutes, invested amount, especially the invested amount, because it is a premature withdrawal. Okay, so your invested amount will be credited back to your linked account within minutes. So I hope you have understood the two news articles. The dimensions that you have to remember is the names are very important. The aim is very important. The reason of doing it is very important. Okay, so these are few directions as well as the other key points that for how many years are there. Such kind of areas are very important. So now these are the questions for your homework. I know that you will be directly able to answer these questions. That which of the following bank has signed a MOU with Central Board of Direct Taxes and Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. Okay. Next is, recently Airtel Payment Bank has announced the launch of the fixed deposit facility in partnership with which? Okay, very easy to answer now. So these were the people that gave the right answer of the previous session question. Komal, Arvind, Yash, Kurinji, Pragati, Nilesh, Adit, Premraj, Vamse, Swanti, Gaurav, Pratik, Rakshit, Mikhail and Aditya. So I will try to bring more banking news because direct questions have been asked in the previous year, and if there are direct questions, that so you must know the importance of these kind of questions, of these kind of news, because directly you will be able to gain the marks. Okay. So now thank you very much. If you have any query, you can mail us here also. Thank you very much.